To mask or not to mask? That is the question. After New York lifted its mask mandate for people vaccinated against COVID-19 in May, many people ditched their face coverings. And despite updated guidance from the US Centers for Disease Control that everyone should once again wear masks in indoor settings where transmission rates are substantial or higher, and that's nearly the entire country, New York City has not reintroduced it as a requirement. But the recent spike in new COVID-19 cases driven by the Delta variant has prompted some businesses to set their own rules on face coverings. If you want to shop at Harry's Shoes in Manhattan, you have to mask up.
I wanted to make sure that my staff was safe, not knowing who had been vaccinated and who hadn't, and there was no way to know that. And two, we also wanted to make sure our customers felt comfortable and safe. There have been some who've been a little bit more radical in their opinions, where they've said, look, I was told I don't have to wear a mask anymore, why are you? And I said, look, it's our place of business. This is what we're comfortable with. We respectfully ask you to wear one. And if not, it's a free world, but we just can't let you enter our premises.
The renewed push for people to mask up has been met with a varied response across the US and has highlighted the continuing political divide in the country when it comes to dealing with the pandemic. 4 states and Washington, D.C. now have indoor mask mandates for all, regardless of vaccination status, all of them governed by Democrats. In the Republican state of Tennessee, some parents protested against the introduction of a school mask mandate in one district. The Republican governors of Texas and Florida have banned local officials from mandating face coverings, saying it's a matter of personal choice, even though their states are now home to 40% of all COVID-19 hospital patients in the US. Public health experts say politics should have no place in the issue.
We have a common enemy that we have to defeat, and we have to pull this together. And so I think we really need to think about not just our own comfort, but also the comfort of so many the other people as well.
But the mixed messages on mask wearing across the country have prompted debate on the streets.
It's up to people's choice, and I think if I'm given a position to really, I would still encourage, but I'm not going to mandate people to wear the mask.
I believe in this scientific, and it's, of course, we have to wear a mask.
Mask wearing is indoors. It can help, but I don't. If I'm not required, I don't.
President Joe Biden has said his administration is studying whether it has the legal authority to intervene in states that have banned mask mandates, but that it's unlikely, which means the patchwork approach to mask wearing across the US is likely to continue. Sarah Walton, CGTN, New York.